Today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing video of the Autel Evo Max 4T drone. I ordered this the other day through an Autel authorized reseller on eBay. They shipped it out really quickly, even though it was Thanksgiving week and they had a Black Friday special going on and everybody was super busy. They got everything packed up and shipped out from a warehouse in California, and it arrived relatively quickly. First off, the packing was very good. Everything comes packaged in this box that you see right here. It's approximately 18 inches wide by 14 inches back by about 9 or 10 inches tall. This box was packaged inside this box, which was packaged inside this box, which was packaged inside this box that contained that box, as well as the batteries and spare propellers that came with the package that I ordered, packaged separately within the gigantic box. This is a really sturdy case. It's not a Pelican brand case, but it's very similar these days. Most of these impact resistant cases are pretty similar. It's got a metal hinge pin. These latches are pretty sturdy. They do have a double latching system on there. There are 2 locations where you can put padlocks on here. They are not reinforced with metal, but honestly, I really don't know how much of a difference that makes. It's a plastic case. If somebody wants to get into it with a Sawzall, they're going to get into it. We can see everything is packaged neatly inside here. I've put the batteries inside the case in the spots that they fit into. I'm going to go ahead and pull the drone itself out. This is a pretty big size drone. I'll pull out one of the batteries here so that we can get an idea of the scale. Also packaged in here is the remote. I haven't even taken the screen protector off of it yet. Underneath the remote, we have another storage area. There's nothing underneath here where the drone was packed. Underneath here in this storage area, we've got a power brick with the adapter to charge the batteries. We have the wall plug for the brick. And then in this box here, we have a few items. In here we've got the strap that goes onto the remote. We have spare joystick. Here we've got a USB-C to USB-C. Here we've got a USB-A to USB-C. And here we have the 65 watt wall adapter, travel adapter. It has 2 different USB-C outputs as well as USB-A output. Also inside here is one set of spare propellers. We have the quick start guide for the drone. And that is it. This is everything that's included with this package that I got. The package that I purchased off of eBay came with actually 4 batteries and 4 sets of spare propellers. I do have to say that when it showed up, it only had 3 batteries in the package. The Autel customer support was very good. I sent an email out to them through eBay. They responded within a matter of hours. They recognized the oversight and immediately shipped out another battery. I also wasn't sure where a few of the pictured items were within the kit, and they showed me where to find those. So those additional items would be this back plate that goes onto the remote. I'm not 100% sure what it's for at this point. I think it's just to keep the remote from being damaged. I could be wrong. And then the memory card that comes with the drone comes pre-installed in the SD card slot down here. And then the other item that was pictured on the sale sheet was this gimbal protector. They showed it as a separate object, and it shows up weird. It looks like a weird silver thing. It doesn't quite look like that. So here we have everything kind of laid out for you. You can get a good idea of the scale and size of everything that is included. I'll go ahead. The battery looks like we're sitting at about just over 2 inches wide, almost 5 inches long, and about 1.5 inches tall. It does weigh about 1.5 kilograms. And then we have the drone here. The drone folds out very easily to deploy everything. Everything survived the shipping really well. Everything was packaged very nicely. There was really not any chance for anything to get damaged in here. And so far, I'm pretty happy with the purchase. I did get the 4T version, which has the thermal infrared camera on here. That's the primary reason that I selected this drone. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get these smart batteries charged up, and probably tomorrow take it out for a couple test flights and see how she handles. So if you all have any questions on anything on the packing or anything else that comes with the drone, I did also get one accessory for the drone. I just kind of couldn't resist getting the loudspeaker and spotlight combo. This did ship out separately from the drone. It came in a separate package in the box, and it's this little unit right here. If we pop off this protective cover on the top of the drone, this plugs right into it, and then these screws fasten down onto the top of the drone. It does look like if you want to, you can unscrew the loudspeaker so that you just have the spotlights attached. If you do that, they did include a protective cover that will go over the slot where the loudspeaker plugs in. And I guess these spotlights are responsive. There's a little motor in there, and the spotlights focus on the same point of focus that the gimbal is pointed at. So that's that. Like I said, if you have any questions on this, go ahead and leave some comments down below, and go ahead and look forward to the test flight video. And then, as is traditional, this is the peeling of the screen protector.